Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith here in for Rob. It is February 20th, 2024. Hope you're all doing well. All right, so I figured I'd give you two examples today that I'm looking at. First, let's take a look at the Qs. Okay, you see this is a Qs, and these are Heikin-Ashi candles with the champion cross. So the overall on the 5-minute chart, when the market's opened up today, right here, here's the market open. You can see that we had a widening channel. And one of the ways I love to enter is after the first 5-minute bar is over, the next bar is still red, flat top, red. That's the entry right here where this white bar is. And then once I'm in the trade, folks, the exit point for me is on the first green dot here. Okay, so at the open of this green dot. So this is the entry, this is the exit right here, following the rules. Okay, and it's important, in my opinion, when you're day trading, is to follow the overall trend. Again, the champion cross did a fantastic job identifying and then staying on that short side. And then I do not counter trend trade this. Okay, I did not take this trade. Then what you look for after that is the next red dot going back in with the overall channel red. Could be your entry again right here. And then the exit is on the green dot right here. Okay, so entry, exit. And that's how you can stay in trends longer using Heikin-Ashi. All right, also, folks, let me just go ahead and go to the daily chart here on GE. This is an opportunity I've been in for a while. And what I want to show you is the logic here. So when you're looking at GE again on the daily time frame, okay, when I get a situation where, again, going with the overall trend, right, that's where the champion cross has been green. Okay, the trend is your friend. So when you go here, it goes red, yellow, back to green right here. Okay, that is an entry based on the criteria I use. And then the exit will be on the red dot, which again, we don't have one, right? So do I have a profit target? No. Do I have rules of when to exit the trade? Of course I do. But the bottom line is at this point, until I get a red dot, I'm going to stay in this GE trade. If you want to learn more about Heikin-Ashi and some of my advanced techniques, I'm holding a webinar on Thursday. You can see here at 10 a.m. Eastern. So Thursday, 10 a.m. Eastern. And all you need to do is go to becomeabettertrader.com/yes. So again, it's becomeabettertrader.com/yes. And you'll see me Thursday at 10 o'clock Eastern, and I'll be going over some of my Heikin-Ashi, advanced Heikin-Ashi. And this again is for all skill levels, whether you're a day trader or a swing trader. And again, I hope to see you all there Thursday. Have a good night, everybody. Take care.